Hey everybody, happy fall! Jonathan here with Green Eagle Pressure Washing. I hope you're ready for all the upcoming special moments with family. There's so much to look forward to. Bonding, making memories, and of course, all that amazing food. While you enjoy this clip of a recent house wash we completed in Apex, North Carolina, let me introduce you to what Green Eagle is all about. We proudly serve Wake and Johnston counties, operating right here in the heart of it all from Raleigh, North Carolina. When you call on us, you're not just getting a service. You're getting a team that's genuinely passionate about taking care of what you've worked hard for, your home. We specialize in house washing, concrete cleaning, decks, patios, fences, and so much more. Not only are we fully insured, but we're also committed to providing a smoke-free environment, whether we're on your property or in our own workspace. Plus, our aim to leave you smiling as brightly as your freshly cleaned siding when we're done. Our professionals are highly trained in both low pressure washing, also known as soft washing, and high pressure techniques. Knowing the difference protects you from potential damage and guarantees you results that last. Whether it's prepping your home for the holidays or giving it a fresh look, trust Green Eagle Pressure Washing to deliver excellence every time. Reach out to us today and let us bring a new level of clean to your home. Hope you have a great day, and we're looking forward to taking care of your home.